Introduction, Bikeblazepro. Welcome to Bikeblazepro, your trusted hub for the latest updates in the automobile world. Today, we explore the 2025 Toyota automobile, a perfect balance of advanced technology, sustainable performance, and timeless Toyota reliability. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Toyota brings a modern, aerodynamic silhouette with sharp LED headlamps, a bold front grille, and smooth flowing lines. The premium alloy wheels and sleek body profile enhance its road presence while improving fuel efficiency through reduced drag. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota offers multiple powertrain options, from a fuel-efficient hybrid engine to a responsive turbocharged petrol variant. With improved mileage, quicker acceleration, and advanced suspension tuning, it delivers a refined yet powerful driving experience. Interior and comfort. Inside, the cabin blends luxury with practicality. Premium leather seating, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof create a relaxing atmosphere. The spacious legroom and advanced climate control ensure comfort on every journey. Technology and features. Equipped with Toyota's latest infotainment system, the 2025 model features a large touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice commands, and AI-based driving assistance. Advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras make every drive secure and convenient. Sustainability focus. In line with Toyota's eco-friendly vision, the 2025 model integrates improved hybrid technology and recyclable materials in manufacturing. Lower emissions and higher efficiency make it a step toward a greener future. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota automobile is more than just a car, it's a statement of innovation, comfort, and responsibility. Whether you seek performance, technology, or sustainability, this vehicle delivers it all with Toyota's signature reliability.